Wondering how I created this? I'll show you exactly how I did this step by step using just Adobe. Whether you're a beginner or someone who loves design, you'll be able to recreate this exact 3D balloon text effect with ease. Welcome back to Rise on Motion. Let's jump in and bring your designs to life. Also, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Now grab the type tool and type the word you want. In my case, I'm using boy because bold, chunky letters really show off the balloon effect best. Pick a thick, rounded font, something like Batavin regular or any font you personally love. Once your text is ready, give it a solid color, any shade you like. Just make sure it's clean and contrasts well with the background. Then go ahead and export this as a high-quality JPEG image. This version will act as our base for creating the balloon magic. Next, let's head over to Adobe Firefly, where the real AI magic happens. We'll use Firefly's generative features to transform our flat text into a puffy, glossy balloon look in seconds. Just upload the JPEG and get ready to be amazed. Now in Adobe Firefly, upload the high-quality JPEG we exported earlier. We're going to use AI to turn that flat text into a realistic 3D balloon. In the prompt box, type exactly this: single blue balloon in pink pastel background and floor. This tells Firefly to generate a clean, soft, and visually appealing. balloon style with the perfect contrast between the blue balloon and pink. Also, don't forget to subscribe my channel.